Welcome. If you are wondering if the Motorola Edge 20 from European distribution has an original protective case in the box, I'm going to quickly show you. So take a look. As you can see, yes, it does. And we can find here silicone case. It has nice grip here and it covers edges. I'm going to put here our smartphone. It protects our cameras a little bit. Here we got the good access to the power key. Also for USB-C port. And also it covers a little bit screen, so when you put your phone like that, you don't have to be afraid of any scratches. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.